Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. What I want to talk to y'all today about is a highly respected site. They have tons and tons and tons of surveys every single day. You can make a lot of money with this survey site. They got 5 million members and it's growing strong. And the site, none other, is Survey Junkie. I can't exactly remember how many years Survey Junkie's been around. I made some great money from this site over the years. Uh, I know it's a good 3, 4, 5 years old. I can't even remember, but this might be one survey site that'll give you all the surveys you can handle. I mean, when you log in, once you sign up for free, you're just going to see so many surveys. I mean, it just never ends. So if you a real survey head or, like I say, survey junkie, like I say, you can make a lot of money with this site. So uh, it's a great way to make extra money. Uh, you know, some people say, well, you're not going to get rich with this. Well, I don't know. If you do this every day and it's what you like to do, you can make a good income with this. So, like I say, it's free. Sign up. You see right there, join now. It's free. So just put your email in there and get started taking surveys and make this money. And they got all different kind of ways you can get paid. PayPal, other ways. So that being said, put that email in there and make you some survey money. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'm also going to put a link to my blog below too, so you can see what else I got going on. That being said, peace.